Hello viewers, hope you are doing well. Today's concept is verbs expressing simple present. You have known verb is the most important part for tense. If you understand verbs, there will not be any difficult to understand to get tense. In this video, I will be explaining which verbs we use for simple present. Watch till the end of the video. So this is Umarad Mahapatra. Welcome you back to my channel to get the concept clear. If you find this video informative and helpful and want to see more videos like this one, subscribe to my channel and press the notification icon so that you never miss an upload. Verbs expressing simple present. Which verbs we use to express simple present? Verbs we use simple present, that is present form of a verb. You have known a verb has four forms. For example, go, went, gone. Okay, then going. V1, V2, V3, V4. This is present, this is past form, this one is past participle, this one present participle. Okay. For simple present, we use base form of a verb. So, where you use base form of verb, with base form of verb we use in simple present. Sometimes we add s or es in the verb, right? Sometimes we write go, the base form of a verb without s or es. See the example, I cook, we cook, you cook, they cook. These are the subjective pronouns. I, we, you, they, he, she, it. All are subjective pronouns. They means this is a subjective pronoun for plural noun. Okay. So, I cook without s or es we use with subject I, we, you and plural subject. And we add s or es or ies with verb where if the subject is singular, he plays, she plays, it plays. Okay, that you understand. But where you add s, somewhere we add es and somewhere we add ies. How we can know? Say a verb ends in ss, ends in o, ends in x, ends in z, ends in sh, ends in ch. There, if the subject is third person singular number, we add es. Okay, that is, I pass the salt. The verb ends in ss. Okay, if the subject will be changed, if we change the subject he, it will be what? Passes. Es added. He passes the salt. Right? He passes the salt. The same way, go. O. I go to Puri. Right? She will be what? Go will be goes. Es added. If the verb ends in O with the third person singular number, the verb in the verb we add es. Okay? If the subject is third person singular number. Only for simple present, right? Es. So, she goes to Puri. Then the verb ends in x. Fix. I fix the time. I fix the time. He fixes. Fix. He fixes the time. Then the verb ends in jet. Beach, budge, beach budge. Okay, ends in jet. Obby, budges. Obby, budges. Es added. If the subject is third person singular number, we add es in the verb. Then sh ends in sh. What is push? I push him. She pushes. him, pushes, es added, right? Then ch means what? Catch. Ch, a verb ends in ch. I catch the ball. I catch the ball. He catches the ball. Understand? So, we know if a verb ends in ss, o, x, z, sh, ch, we add es, right? If a verb ends in y, suppose I try to complete my task. Here, try. Another, I play. See, two verbs, play, try, ends in y. Okay, here, I play. When you write third person singular subject, it will be plays. Only you add s. But in this case, I try to complete my task. She, third person singular number subject, it will be tries. T-R-Y-S, no. Okay, y will be removed and there we add I-E-S. Okay, when you write I-E-S, removing y, we add I-E-S. But where you add S-E-S, we add S-E-S with the verb. Which verb is given in that verb, we add S at E-S. But when we add I-E-S, removing y, we add I-E-S. Okay, how we can know to add S or I-E-S? Very simple. Where last y preceded by one consonant, there y will be removed and I-E-S will be added. She tries to complete her work or task. Okay, but here he plays, only S is added. Why? Because last y preceded by one vowel. Where preceded by one vowel, there you add only S. Where last y preceded by one consonant, there we remove last y and add I-E-S. Then another two important verbs for simple present. One is do, another is does. Both two verbs are used in simple present. In which construction? In negative sentence, in interrogative sentence, and also in interrogative negative sentence. So, I cook. I cook is the sentence. Change the sentence into interrogative or negative. What will be? Change the sentence into negative. What it will be? I do not cook. Right? In short, we can write I don't cook. Very simple. Okay? So, we use what? Here we use do. Do. I do not cook. As there is not S or Es in the verb. If the sentence is he cooks, what it will be in negative sentence? He does not. As S is added here, you have to write it does, not do. Does not cook. In contracted form, he doesn't cook. Right? And in interrogative form, what it will be? I cook. It's interrogative. Do I cook? Question mark. Okay? It's negative interrogative. Do I not cook? Do I not cook? Also in contracted form, we can write the negative interrogative sentence. How? Don't I cook? In such way we can write, but we can't write I don't cook. Okay, we can't write do not I cook. This is wrong. The sentence is wrong. In contracted, if you write not in the front before subject, you can write in the contracted form. Do not should be written don't. Okay. The same way he cooks. He cooks. Its interrogative will be what? Does. Cooks is there. Cooks. So, does he cook? Does he cook? Okay. And it's a negative interrogative. Does he not cook? Another way, doesn't he? So we can know how to change one sentence, negative, interrogative and also negative interrogative, and which verbs are important for simple present. For simple present, the verbs are simple present form of verbs, base form of verbs. Somewhere we write the exact verb and somewhere we add s, es or ies. Okay, and do and does, most important verbs for simple present. Then we know the structure for simple present for affirmative sentence, subject plus verb 1 plus object. For negative sentence, what is for simple present, negative simple present sentence? This is the structure. Do I cook? Do I cook? So what is do plus subject. Do or does. Do or does. Okay. Do or does. Do or does plus subject plus verb 1. When do or does we are writing, then the verb will be written without s or es. Suppose here does is there, right? He doesn't cook. When we bring does to the front, we take does to the front, but we don't write cooks. But we don't write cooks because that s exists where? Exists in does. Understand? So, do or does plus subject plus V1 plus object is the format for interrogative sentence. For negative interrogative, do or does plus subject plus not. Writing again, do or does plus subject plus not plus V1 and object. Right? Question mark. Negative structure, simple present, negative structure. What is subject plus what? Subject plus do or does plus not plus verb 1 plus object. This is the structure of negative sentence or simple present. In such way, we can change our sentences to negative, interrogative and negative interrogative, and negative interrogative. You have to remember, for simple present, the most important verbs are present verbs and do and does. You remember, do, does are both most important verbs for simple present. Let's see where we can know how you construct the sentence. Then we have to know where you use simple present. Let's learn. We use simple present for things in general, for habitual action. I get up early in the morning. I do exercise daily. I take my breakfast at 8 o'clock. I fresh myself. I go to school. I go to play in the afternoon every day. We use simple present for habitual action. And also use simple present for universally which is true and scientifically true. The sun rises in the east. The sun sets in the west. Rises, sets, the earth revolves around the sun. All goes universally fact. So you use simple present. Light travels faster than sound. Scientifically it is fact. So you use simple present. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. It is scientifically fact. Water freezes at 0 degree. A pot of water is boiling. We can't say water boils. There we say water is boiling. But it is scientifically fact. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. When you plan for future event, we use simple present. Future event, a plan or arrangement. The school starts in the morning of April. It is one planning, future planning. So you use simple present, starts. We go to Agra next month. It is one planning to go to Agra next month, near future. They leave for Konark by next month. This is near future. Okay, we use simple present. And also for natural qualities or processes and professional activities, we use simple present. Fruits contain lots of minerals and vitamins. It is a natural quality. Okay, quality of fruit. Contain lots of minerals. Contain. Simple present. A dentist takes care of teeth. This is professional activity. Takes care. Okay. A teacher teaches. That is professional activity. Birds fly. It is natural quality. Okay. Birds fly. The verb we use for quotations and proverbs. Birds of a feather flock together. Here you use for birds of a feather, flock. Simple present. It takes two to make a quarrel. Takes. Simple present. Quotations and proverbs. Honesty is the best policy. Is. Truth always triumphs. Simple present. Also you use simple present. Descriptions of sports events or commentaries. Raju passes the ball. Suhana, who passes to Shomu, who heads it past the goalkeeper and scores. You see the verbs. Passes the ball. Suhana, who passes to Shomu, who heads it past the goalkeeper and scores. Every verb is written in simple present. Newspaper headlines. You have seen newspaper headlines are in simple present. Apple CEO shares pictures taken by Indian school students. Here, shares. Simple present. Manipal University announces new batch of online degrees in April 2022. Announces. Simple present. Video shows Ola's e-scooter on fire. Shows. Simple present. Prime Minister visits Goa. Visits. Simple present. I hope you got the concept clear. If you have any doubt, you can ask question in the comment section. Thank you. Stay safe. See you in the next one.